Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack publisher account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you unlink or remove your Stripe account from your Substack publisher account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Stripe from your Substack anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to be switching over to different providers. So maybe you decided not to use Substack, so you don't want your customers to get charged again. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove your Stripe account from Substack, here on the top, you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see this drop down menu here on the left. And you want to look towards the bottom. There's a button here called Danger Zone. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see various options. However, in order to remove your Stripe account, you want to look for this box here called Turn Off Paid Subscriptions. Now, they do warn you that when you disconnect your Stripe account from Substack, all of your paid subscriptions are going to be canceled. Also, your users are going to receive a refund for any time remaining on their subscriptions. Now, if you want to disconnect your Stripe, but you don't want the subscription to be canceled, you'll need to contact support. I'm not really sure why you do that. Maybe you're going to connect a different Stripe account, so you need to disconnect one Stripe to add the other one. Aside from that, I'm not sure why you might want to do that, but that is an option to contact support by clicking on this button. For today, we're going to go ahead and click here on Turn Off Paid Subscriptions. Okay, so next you see that Substack is going to show you a tally of the refunds, and then also if you owe any money, and then if Substack owes you some sort of a refund. Now, if you have posts that require the user to have a paid subscription in order to view, you can turn off that paywall by clicking here if you wish to do so. So be sure to read through this to make sure you understand the consequences. If you're okay with that, click here, disconnect Stripe, cancel, and refund all subscriptions. Okay, next they ask you to go ahead and type in the name of your newsletter for this to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and type that in now. Okay, once you typed it in, click on OK. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the danger zone, that option has been removed. And if we jump up here to payments, okay, you can see here in payments that I've turned off billing and disconnected my Stripe. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove or disconnect your Stripe from your Substack, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.